Alright, it's now time for the battery test. I have the 67 watt wired charger here, guys. I'm gonna hook it up to my phone. This is the message that I get. Battery is low, my phone turned off, so no battery whatsoever. This is the message that I got from my Xiaomi 13 before it died, and Xiaomi are advertising that you're able to get from 0 to 100% in something like 40 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to hook up the Xiaomi 13 to this mega box here, and I'm gonna put my stopwatch here, and yeah, let's just see what will happen. Alright, that's the stopwatch, guys. Let me hook up the phone and press the start button. Okay, now the Xiaomi 13 will start charging. Yeah, I'm gonna speed up the video, and I really hope that I'm gonna get something like 40 minutes, 45 minutes stops. All right, we will have to see how it goes. "15 minutes in the charge and we have 50%. That's really impressive, guys. "25 minutes of charging and we have 74, almost 75%. This is nothing more, nothing less, but just impressive. 75% for 25 minutes of charging. "90% for 32 minutes and 30 seconds. Incredible. "94% for 35 minutes of charge and 20 seconds, guys. So I would assume that we're gonna be very close to the advertised rate of 38 minutes, 38 to 40 minutes, guys. 94% in 35 minutes. Amazing. Samsung, please just see how it's done. "96%, 36 minutes and 45 seconds. Alright, we hit the 38 minutes mark. Let's just see, guys, 97%. I'll just say, yeah, almost. I mean, almost really like advertised. I'm gonna leave it, of course, a bit more. Can we do 100% for 40 minutes? I think still this is a very nice, very good result, and it really proves that the 67 watts wired charger is delivering on the promises, guys. So for 38 minutes, I was not able to get 100%, but I really got very close to 97%. All right, let's see how much more for 3%. And approaching 40 minutes mark, 40 minutes of charging, 99%, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. Is Xiaomi really holding up to the promise? Honestly, I do believe yes, they are. I think 40 minutes to get 99% is really cool, and I really hope to see this adopted more and more for other phones. Yeah, why not Samsung, why not Apple iPhones, and etc. 99%, 40 minutes still, guys. Can we get to 100% before the 41-minute mark? This is really now the $1 million question. 99%, still 20 seconds to go, guys. 40 minutes and 42 seconds, 43, 45. Can we get 1% more before we reach here 41? This is gonna be very tight, I can tell you. If we pull this off, 6, yeah, 100%, absolutely, guys. All right, let me just stop it. Yes, 100%, guys. We were able to get 100% for 40 minutes and 58 seconds. Nice.